Hi guys, welcome to today's video. We are doing another weekend in my life vlog, and to start the video off, we are building our new coffee table. Damien went to pick up this table from IKEA a couple of days ago. We've just been using this table for now, but this actually belongs on the terrace with our terrace bench and chairs, so we are going to build our new table and put this one outside.
It's a table.
What do we think? I'm just really happy that we finally have a coffee table after 9 months. Well, after 9 months of living here, we don't have to move our terrace table in and out again. We can just leave it outside for good. So that's really exciting. But right now, Damien and I are going to the mairie because we are going to get paxed. I don't know what it's called in English. I struggle to find like English equivalent word for it. There's not actually an equivalent word, but basically it's kind of like a, what is it, like a legal union?
Yeah,
our legal union. It's not a marriage. It's just for like paperwork and taxes and things like this. And actually we are doing it so that we can have extra 4 vacation days. But yeah, we have all the paperwork ready. We're gonna go to the shop to get it photocopied, and then we are off to the mairie. And actually I'm wearing white for the occasion, even though it's not a marriage, not a wedding, but yeah, I thought it was appropriate. That's our beautiful mairie. Well, it's closed. We'll go to the market then, I guess. I'm back from the market, so I'm gonna do a little haul. So I bought this. I don't know if it's spring onions or normal onions, but I thought it could be cute to plant in my little potager also. And also I would eat this with my avocado toast. I got that. I got a cucumber. I got some courgettes, zucchinis. I got some peppers. I got some carrots. I got a watermelon. You like watermelon? And what's this? The peaches. And then also, as you saw, I got this yummy deliciousness. What is it? Middle Eastern? I don't really know what it is, but it's like a pastry thing. And it has chicken inside, like curry chicken kind of vibe. It's very good, and it's been a while since we had it, so got one for us to share that with. We're going out with our bikes. Well, my bike. I'll be going to IKEA to pick up some stuff, and Damien is going to meet some friends. for a drink. And we're running late and Damien is stressed, so I'm gonna go. Bye! Hello, I'm back from IKEA. I totally forgot to vlog while I was there and it would have been very chaotic anyways. So I'm just gonna show you what I got. So first, we have this watering can because as you might have seen from earlier, I don't actually have a watering can. Just been like watering my plants from our water jug, so I thought this would be handy. I also got this little basket because next to the couch we actually have like a wooden crate where we are putting our chargers and things like this. I thought it would look much cuter in this little basket, so I got it as well. Then I just got some cheap like hangers, plastic hangers to go in our wardrobe in our bedroom, just because we were needing some of them. I got this little box. I think it would be really handy in the bathroom because I have a lot of like little bottles of soap, shampoos, samples, and other little bottles of stuff. So I thought it would go nicely in this box. I also got this pair of scissors for the garden to do some snippety snips. And then, well, actually the whole reason why I went to IKEA was because I needed one thing, and I'm gonna show you what this one thing is. This. Left to go to IKEA just for this, and I came home with all those other stuff. But this is basically for some new curtains that we bought. They're too long, so we wanted to get this kind of fabric glue thing. Basically, you just need to fold the curtain where it needs to be folded, and then you're gonna put this like little tape on it, iron it on, and then it will just stick like this. So it will be really handy for us, and we won't have to do any sewing or anything to get our curtains to the right length. And to finish things off, I got this set of cutlery because Lord knows where all our cutlery went. We're down to like 2 knives and like a couple of forks and spoons, and I literally have no idea where they went because I'm pretty sure we had more before, but yeah, we have just those left, and we really like hosting people, and I just wanted to make sure that we have enough cutlery for everyone when they come. So I got this as well, and that's it. That's everything I got from IKEA. Damien is still out with his friends, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Oh, maybe I'll start organizing with all the things that I bought and wash the cutleries. So yep, I'll see you guys later. Boo! We're gonna watch Stranger Things now while I have my face mask on. I should stop talking. See y'all later. Good morning everyone! Today we are going to work on the veggie garden. So I actually received the box a couple of days ago, and then we built it and everything, so I'm going to insert those clips here. I have a very exciting package. Ta-da! It's my new planter. What are you doing?
It's very big.
It's finally here. I'm so excited. Wait, you cannot see what I'm doing. How do I do this? Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna open it now. Oh wow. It's kind of small, guys. By the way, it's supposed to be like a kid's thing. I ordered it from a kid's website because it looked like it was the good size. So we'll see if it's actually the good size, because I'm not sure now. The package is looking very small. Ooh. Okay. Damien's just standing here because he's really looking forward to building stuff, huh? Oh man, this was complicated. Okay.
Broken. This is broken.
No. We'll build this and we'll be right back, guys. Right now we are going to transfer all the plants that I have into this box, and yeah, very excited to work on this. I don't know too much on this topic. I've seen like a few articles, watched a few videos, but I'm really not at all an expert, so I'm probably going to be making some mistakes, but we'll learn from them. We're gonna go get our bikes and go cycle around Ponton and Bobigny because there are apparently some really cool things happening. So we're gonna go check it out.
Nervous?
Some drinks with Damien's friend. I'm very tipsy right now. Where is the camera? Oh, hello. We ended up in a restaurant near our place. We got a margarita pizza, some cheese fries, and my hot date. Hi guys, I am just closing off this vlog. 1 week later. Are we surprised? No. But I hope you enjoyed this video, especially the last few clips of me being a little bit tipsy. And I'm really embarrassed to say this, but if you like the video, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna kind of do this.
Yeah, you have to.
If you like this video, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and to leave a comment if you want. And to subscribe if you didn't already. Yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!